Hello everyone, here is FEELWORLD and I'm Abby. Glad to see you again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a basic live stream for a classroom. The simplest streaming setup for your online class will involve going to Facebook or YouTube on your phone, pressing live video on your timeline, and pointing your phone's cameras at either yourself or a computer. This approach is easy to set up, but has certain limitations both on video and audio. A practical solution is to use a switcher. With a video switcher, you can plug in multiple cameras, microphones, computers, laptops, smartphones, and so on. They also come with great features like picture-in-picture, split screen, smooth transitions, and many other professional effects that will bring your presentation to life. FEELWORLD Livepro L1 V1 comes with a USB 3.0 output and a really simplified streaming. All you need to do is take a USB output from the L1 V1 and plug it straight into the USB input of your laptop or computer. All the gear you need is here. I just need to press the button and switch the camera I need. This is absolutely great. If I write on the blackboard, I can easily show students what is on the blackboard, which is why I recommend setting up two cameras. If you watch it on a small device, you really can see the words on the blackboard in the background. It will become very smart and difficult to read. And most of all, the teacher's body will block the key content. There is a nice detail feature here. It's called a picture-in-picture. And so if I go back to the camera and I turn it on, now I can actually put myself in the corner. I can bounce back and forth if I feel like I want. Then you can switch back to just the camera when you aren't necessarily reversing something that's on the board. So that's the real help of how the L1 V1 does. You then open up the OBS and the L1 V1 will come out as a webcam source. Copy and paste the corresponding platform's streaming code and key. Now you can start a live stream. For the detailed tutorial for multiple camera setup, please check our related video link below. If you need any help on how to set this up, please leave me a message below. We will be glad to help you. There are also links below on how to find the equipment you need to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.